Hello everyone, so this is our ninth video and this video is about voiceover. So in the previous video I showed that how you can generate the script for your YouTube videos. So now once you have the script, the next step is to convert that script into a voiceover. So for that there are three options. The first one is that you do the voiceover by yourself. The second option is that you hire a freelancer who can convert your script into a voiceover. So let me show you that how you can find a freelancer on fiverr.com. So first of all, go to the fiverr.com and now search here YouTube voiceover and just then press enter. And now you can see that there are 899 services available here. You can just go through all these services that are available here and then choose anyone. And like this one is charging $5 for 350 words. Let me check that how much they are charging for 1,000 word script. So this person charged $20 for 1,000 word script, which is a reasonable amount. But if you are on budget, then there is another option, which is an AI voiceover. So in this video, I will show you that how you can get a human-like voiceover using the AI softwares. So there are two softwares that we are gonna use in this video. The first one is completely free to use and they have some amazing voiceovers, and sometimes it is very hard to detect whether those are real humans or AI voiceovers. And there is another one that offers a free trial, and you would be surprised to hear those voices. So first of all, let me show you the free one. So open a new tab and click here and then type here clipchamp.com. By the way, I will leave a link to these websites in the resource file. And so once you are here, just click try for free and then just fill up your details and you will be moved to this page. Once you are on this page, just click on create a new video and you will be moved to their editor page over here. So first of all, click on record and create option over here, and you can see there are four options over here, but we are more interested in text to speech, so just click on text to speech. And now you can see that this option is for languages. Then we have the voice and then the voice style. We can change the speed and change the pitch of the voice. And here we need to put our script. So let me just quickly copy and paste our script here. So this is our script that I wrote in the previous video. Just go to clipchamp and paste it over here. Okay, so that's it. And now we need to choose the language. First of all, you can see that they have a lot of languages over here, but we are most interested in English. You can go with any other language as well, but let me just show you that what are the voices in the English. So just click on English United States, and then we have about 15 to 20 voices in only English United States. You can choose any one of these voices. Let me just quickly show you one of this, and just let me choose Sarah over here. And then we have the voice style. Like let me just quickly show you that how it sounds like in general, and click on preview.
As the capital of England, London is a bustling metropolis with plenty to see and do. The city is home to some of the world's most famous landmarks, such as Big Ben and Buckingham Palace. London also has a rich history, which can be explored in its many museums and art galleries.
Okay, so you can see that this voiceover is amazing and we can use it for travel niche, obviously. So let me just change the voice style over here. Let's say I want a cheerful voice. So just click on this and again click on preview.
As the capital of England, London is a bustling metropolis with plenty to see and do. The city is home to some of the world's most famous landmarks, such as Big Ben and Buckingham Palace. London also has a rich history, which can be explored in its many museums and art galleries.
Well, that's amazing. So you can just play around these voices and voice style, and you would be amazed to see that how wonderful these voices are. And by the way, you can just go with shouting as well. So let me just quickly change the voice over here again. And let's say is this time I want to go with Jason. Let's see how Jason sounds like.
As the capital of England, London is a bustling metropolis with plenty to see and do. The city is home to some of the world's most famous landmarks, such as Big Ben and Buckingham Palace. London also has a rich history, which can be explored in its many museums and art galleries.
Okay, that's good as well. And by the way, you can monetize these videos using text to speech voiceovers because I also has 3 to 4 channels that are monetized using text to speech software. Now you can just quickly go through all the devices and choose the one that suits your niche. So that was the free part. Let me just quickly create the voiceover for my own video that I'm going to show you ahead. In order to create the voiceover in MP4 or an MP3, just paste your script over here and then click on save to meetup. But before that, just change the voice. Let's say I want to go with Sarah, so click on Sarah again and then don't click on the preview but click on save to media. Just click on the plus button over here and it will be moved to this section. As you can see that the voiceover is here now. Then click on export. At the moment this is mp4 file, so later on we would be converting it into mp3 so that we can use it as a voiceover. So just click on for ATP, or you can go with 720 or 1080p. And by the way, you can export the videos without watermark on this software, and that's plus point that you can use this software to edit your videos as well. Let me change the name, which is top 4 things to do in London, and now it will be exported to my PC, and then I will show you that how it sounds like. And now let me show you one of the best text to speech software that offers free trial. Let me just quickly show you that. Just go to a new tab and type here wellsaitlabs.com, and again just click on try for free, and they will not ask you for the credit card details. So you can just simply sign up by clicking our try for free and fill up your form, and then you will be moved to this part. Let me just quickly show you that. So once you fill up the form and you avail the free trial, then you will be asked to create a new project. Just click on new project and create a new project and name it. As I have already created a new project, so I will just click on this one, and now you need to paste your script over here, and let me show you the voices they have at the moment. So just click on the icon over here and let me show you the preview.
Your creative life will evolve in ways that you can't possibly imagine. Trust your gut, don't overthink it, and allow yourself a little room to play.
Okay, so this is amazing as well. Let me show you one of my favorite text to speech voiceover here. So that one was this one.
Your creative life will evolve in ways that you can't possibly imagine. Trust your gut. Don't overthink it and allow yourself a little room to play.
Okay, so this one is good, but as I am into travel niche, so I would be using something that sounds more of calm and natural. You can just go through all the voices and check which one suits your niche. Let me just quickly choose any one of these and create the voiceover for you.
Your creative life will evolve in ways that you can't possibly imagine. Trust your gut. Don't overthink it. And allow yourself a little room to play.
So let me choose this one for now and paste your script over here. And as you can see that you can have a maximum of 16 paragraph, but at the moment we are having 22 paragraphs, so we need to cut that down. Let me just choose a few paragraph And now just click over here and click on single tag if you have only one paragraph, but if you have multiple paragraph you need to click on render by paragraph. So as I have a single paragraph, I will click on single tag. So in a single tag you can have a maximum of 1000 character per paragraph. So now let's click on create now button. Okay, so it has generated the voiceover for us. Let me just quickly show you that how it sounds like.
As the capital of England, London is a bustling metropolis with plenty to see and do. The city is home to some of the world's most famous landmarks, such as Big Ben and Buckingham Palace. London also has a rich history, which can be explored in its many museums and art galleries.
So this one is completely fantastic, and you cannot say that whether that's an AI voice or a human voice. So now you have two options. Either you can just quickly click on download button and download the voiceover, but as you are in a free trial, so I guess they have some limited amount of downloads. You can simply just download recordings software like Audacity and just and run that in the background and play this voiceover, and it will automatically be recorded in that software, and then you can just export that. Okay, so that's how you can generate a human-like voiceover using text-to-speech software. So let me just quickly go through the processes that I describe in this video. For voice recording, there are three options. Either you can record it by yourself or you can hire a freelancer. And the third option is that you can use text-to-speech software. So for text-to-speech software, I mentioned two softwares. The first one, which was Clipchamp, you can use it completely free, but if you want to use a free trial and they offer a 50 clips retax for a free trial, and you can use that, and if you like then you can just upgrade this software. As now we already have the script and the voiceover, so in the next video I will show you that how you can convert the script into a video using an AI software. So see you in the next video.